Hey guys, now today we got the Ulefone M21, and this is the latest larger device for Ulefone. And here, whoa, hey guys, now I'm at a fishing village near the ocean, and today I'm going to introduce you the latest larger model for Ulefone, and this is the flagship model. It's called the M21. This time to provide some special features for this smart router device, and it has a big speaker and it supports 122 dB, and also it's a router device. And also, as we can see, this is the design of this device. It has a very big speaker at the back side of this smartphone, and this is the LED dual LED flashlight, and it have a 64 megapixel main camera, and also it have a 24 megapixel secondary assistant camera, and here is the infrared light, so it supports night vision. And when we use the normal mode to shoot videos in dark environment, the LED flashlight will automatically turn on. So this is very nice for the some special users. And here is the mechanical charging dot, here hook. Okay, hey guys, now we are at the fishing village, and here is the ocean, and we did a waterproof test for the Ulefone M21, the new wrist larger phone model. And here, okay, it's the ocean. Oh, the bullet. Whoa, oh my gosh, wave. Okay, here. Wave. We will set a stopwatch. Stopwatch running. Whoa, water is coming. Still works. Next, I will do a drop test. I will let the phone fly and drop to the stand. Wait, the stand here. Okay, this direction is okay. Okay, here. Okay. Eggs, yes. Another drop. Okay. So nothing happened. Screen is okay, and the OS is okay. And next, I will test the speaker, and I will go to the settings. Okay. sound. Okay, here. Whoa. 122 dB. Okay, let's put it in the water and test the speaker. Whoa. Okay. Sorry if water cannot play strange. Okay. Speak. Change. Okay, where it's coming. We go to over there, another silent switch test. Okay, now we go to the other side of the beach and let's test the speaker. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, what is coming? Okay, now after the waterproof, sand-proof, drop-proof test, I'm going to test night vision camera. A very simple comparison video about it. So now here it's the storm. Yes, so this is night vision, and we can switch it to the normal. Here it's the normal. Oh, sorry, I will use the Ulefone MO21 to show the video and pictures, and I will put it at the end of the videos. They're totally different. Night vision, video, photo. Here. megapixel camera. You can see this is the infrared light emitter. Okay, when we sorry, we go to the night vision. This infrared light emitter works. And if we turn to normal mode, the LED light works here. Yes. Photo. This angle. Here we can shoot details. Yes. Now the LED light works. My vision. Video. Here this camera works. Yes. Okay, so this is the test. I will put the sample at the end of the video. Night vision. Normal video.